In this video, I'm gonna show you how to boot into the safe mode on Windows 10. First thing we need to do, we need to press on Control, Alt, and Delete. And once we get to the screen, we need to press on Shift and hold Shift while we're pressing on the power button, and then click on Restart. Hold Shift down until it's gonna restart. Once we get to this menu, we need to click on Troubleshoot, and then Advanced option, and then Startup Settings. And right here, we need to click on Restart. Once it's gonna restart, it's gonna give you this menu. And here's an option to boot into safe mode with networking, or safe mode with command prompt, and other options. I'm just gonna choose safe mode. I'm gonna press on number 4. Now we need to put our credentials. And right here, you can see it's booted into the safe mode. It didn't load most of the drivers. You can see the screen is a little bit messed up. And at the same time, if you're gonna need to use internet in a safe mode, make sure you press, I think it's number 5, safe mode with networking. And once you get done using, now what you just need to do, just restart your computer and it's gonna boot into normal Windows. Thanks for watching.